Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to study chapter number 11, Force and Pressure, which we have already studied half of its parts in the part 1 of the video. If you have not seen that video, then please go to the channel, please search that video and please watch it. After that only you will be able to understand what we are going to study in this video. So let us begin. So as we have studied in the last video what are contact forces and non-contact forces, so now we have to study about these contact forces and non-contact forces, different types in brief. So let us begin. So over here as we study, contact forces are of two types, that are muscular forces and force of friction. So let us discuss about muscular forces. So muscular forces is the force exerted by the muscles of our body. Okay, we use muscular force for our various activities. So the thing or the force applied by the muscles of our body is known as muscular forces. Like animals, like buffaloes, horses, camels, donkey, elephants use muscular forces to do various activity tasks. Such as over here we can say even the camel is using its muscular force. Even we use the muscular force. Okay, now I hope muscular force is clear to you all. Let us discuss about force of friction. Now first of all, let me tell you what is friction. So force of friction is the force which opposes the motion of an object. Suppose this is a object. So we are applying towards this direction the force. Now in which direction the friction will be applied? Automatically in this direction. So automatically it will be applied in this direction. So it opposes the motion of an object. I hope it is clear now. A ball rolling on the ground gradually slows down and comes to rest due to force of friction only. If we stop pedaling a bicycle, it slows down and comes to a stop due to force of friction. Now I hope it is also clear to you. Let us move to non-contact forces. First is magnetic force. So magnetic force is the force exerted by magnets. By the name only you are understanding what this force is about. Okay, so it is exerted by the magnets. Force of attraction and repulsion between two magnets, okay, is the example of magnetic forces. Even forces exerted by a magnet to attract the pieces of iron or steel is even an example of magnetic force. I hope it is clear. Let us move to next one, that is electrostatic force. So electrostatic force is the force attracted by a charged body on uncharged or charged body. So means the body which is exerting the force, that should be always charged, and on which it is exerting, it may be charged or it may be uncharged. Is it clear? I hope it is clear to you all. Now for example, a plastic straw charged by rubbing with paper attracts a suspending plastic straw. Okay, so as we have taken a plastic straw, charged it by rubbing with the paper, and when we suspend it, so it generally, if we bring the plastic straw near to it, so it generally attracts the other plastic straw. This is known as simply the electrostatic force. As I gave even the example of that scale one, that is even a electrostatic force. Okay. Gravitational force is the force exerted by the earth on all objects. It pulls all objects towards the earth. Now have you thought that when you throws a ball, suppose you are standing in your balcony and you just throw the ball there. So the ball never goes up. The ball comes down such way if you throws. And even if you are throwing your ball up, suppose it simply after few seconds it comes down. Why? Because of the gravitational force. The earth attracts the things. Okay, the earth pulls the things, objects towards it. Okay, due to this. Okay, as there are many examples are given as water in rivers flows downwards. आपने झरने देखे हैं बहुत waterfall सबने देखी है बट whenever we sees waterfall कभी ऊपर नहीं जाती है क्यों नहीं जाती ऊपर बिकॉज ऑफ ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स क्योंकि अर्थ हमेशा वाटर को अपने पास खींच लेती है उसके वजह से वो नीचे आ जाती है ऊपर जा ही नहीं पाती है दैट इज वाई सो even a coin or pen falls down when it slip off our hand. Suppose we are having a pen, it slip off it from our hand and it goes down, it never goes up. Why? Due to gravitational force. Now let us move to pressure. So what is pressure? Pressure is the force acting on a unit area of surface. Okay, I hope it is clear. Now pressure we can easily say as the force upon area. Now what is the SI unit of force? So SI unit of force is Newton. Simple, we can write Newton. And area is meter square. Simply, if we simply do it is Newton per meter square is the pressure unit. Okay, if the area is smaller then the pressure is more. If area is smaller then the pressure is more on the surface for the same force. Okay, suppose whenever we see that nowadays broad strips are coming of bags. Why do it is coming? To reduce our pressure. So when the area of a contact is more, then less pressure will be acting on it. So if I truly say मुझे ये बिल्कुल concept याद नहीं होता है, I usually get confused कि area more होगा तो pressure कम होगा या ज़्यादा. So I usually remember this example that आजकल हम देखते हैं कि बैग के स्ट्रिप्स मोटी आने लग गई. क्यों आती है? प्रेशर रिड्यूस करने के लिए. कई बार हम देखते हैं कि हमारा जब बिल्कुल पतली पतली स्ट्रिप्स होती है तो हमारे यहाँ बिल्कुल बैक पेन होना शुरू हो जाता है. Why? Due to lots of pressure. Easy. This is the easiest example through which you can remember this concept. So if area is more, then pressure will be less. And if area is less, then pressure will be more. Okay. So this is the simple concept. Now pressure exerted by liquid gases. We can say liquids exerts pressure on the walls of a container, on bottom of a container, on sideways pressure even it exerts equal pressure at the same height. So liquid exerts pressure on the everywhere. Okay, on the walls of a container too, on the bottom of the container too, and it depends upon the height of the liquid column. Even the gases too exerts the pressures. Okay, now atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is the pressure exerted by the air around us. Okay, around us जो भी pressure exerted by air, जो air exert कर रही है, that is known as atmospheric pressure. Atmospheric pressure is due to the weight of air. Sometimes when we go near to the beaches, हमें कई बार ज़्यादा हवा चल रही होती है तो हमें क्या लगता है कि जैसे कि एयर हमें स्लैप कर रही है, इतनी जोर की हवा चल रही होती है. That is due to the weight of air. Due to atmospheric pressure we can say. Now the weight of a air column of the height of the atmosphere and area 10 centimeter into 10 centimeter is as large as 1000 kilogram. I hope this line is too clear. So thank you. Please to subscribe the channel, like and share the video.